All right, what's going on, everybody? Rodney here. I want to record a quick video showing you how I got the auto post feature to work. Right, the first thing I did was I added a cloud download URL to the Airtable database. That way I can get just a clear download link from Google Drive anytime I wanted to download a file. And if you're looking in Google Drive, this will always be your web content link. It's a bit different from the share link. With the share link, it seems to link back to like a web page that has a video file on it, but I couldn't access it directly to download the file. So it made a lot more sense just to get the web content link into the cloud download URL field. That way I can easily just access the video file in any automation that I need to. So once I did that, I also added the get a file module here, just so I can download the file from frame.io. It'll give me the video data that I need to upload it correctly to Google Drive, but make.com will just access it this way. When you click get a file, you have this radio button and you can just save it. And then once I did those two, now when I run the automation, anytime I run it, it'll create a new record, and that record will have both the web content link and the share link in it. So I can access either one that I need to, either in this open video field, or if I just want to access the download link, I can download it here. All right, and then once I did that, as far as the Airtable auto post feature, what I did here was I just watch for records in my Airtable database. And then anytime I get any changes to a record status, it'll check to see if the status updated field has changed. And then it'll filter only for the auto post, auto list status. And anytime that's true, it'll go over here to Cloud Convert. And for Cloud Convert, I just added it here just to give me some consistency. Anytime I have a video coming through, I want it to be in the exact same format, same bit rate, same codec, same everything every time it hits Instagram, only because Instagram is a little bit funny when it comes to uploading different video types. I didn't want to run into any errors if I just want to do like a short video from my phone or something different from the script. I want it to be successful every time. So I did add this Cloud Convert here just to add some consistency. So if you're looking at this, make sure you just get a Cloud Convert account. It's free to use. I think you get 25 runs a day, so plenty to use it there. And it's very helpful for just getting consistent video files every time you need to. And then lastly, as far as the Instagram for Business module, I just chose the temporary URL for the video URL from Cloud Convert. And then for the caption, you can just define your caption anytime you need to from Airtable. So that's what I did. And then I'll just run this all just to show that it works. So we'll just upload a new file here. And as you can see, the module is running. Oh, I forgot to change the status. So we'll change the status to approved, and then we'll run that module again. All right, now we can see that the record got created in Airtable, and we'll just click. We'll just change the status here to auto post, auto list. And right now I have the trigger set up to just run on demand. And if you want this to run automatically from Airtable, you'll have to set up a webhook in the automations field here. You need a paid account for that, so that's something that we can cover in a different video. But for now, it's set to auto list. And then we'll just start it here just to trigger it. And you can see it made it through the filter, and now it's running the Instagram for Business module. And then you can see now we have a successful run. We have a post ID, and we can check Instagram just to make sure the video's up. So we'll click refresh here. And then now you can see there's a new video. I forgot to add a caption in here, so make sure you add a caption, and then you can just post your videos to Instagram.